I will start here with some skincare. I'm using the La Roche-Posay Hyaluronic Serum, which hydrates and visibly plumps the skin, and it just makes your skin look so juicy. Following this, I'm using First Aid Beauty's Firming Collagen Cream, which is packed with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, which hydrates your skin like anything. Going in next with the LANEIGE Glowy Makeup Serum, which is so hydrating and gives your skin that perfect radiant finish. It suits all skin types because it is in a serum formulation. Now going in with some color correction using the Live Tinted U-Stick in shade Rice. Like I said, this is my favorite color corrector. The U-Stick color corrector in Rice is my go-to color corrector, and I really don't like to use any other brand but Live Tinted for my color correction. Go on any areas that look gray or are discolored and go with that orange color corrector. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Medium Honey. It's a full coverage formula and it helps to smoothen and brighten the under eye area. And if you like a full coverage concealer, Tarte Shape Tape is your go-to concealer, believe me. The shade I got myself was Light Medium Honey, but actually it's too light for me, so next day I went and changed it, and my actual color is Medium Honey. So you will find that this color is a little bit too light for me, but don't worry, with bronzing and everything is gonna look so seamless later on. I've used the same concealer as my eyeshadow primer, but for crease I've used Hourglass Bronzer in Nude Bronze. I'm just defining my crease with it, so I'm going in swiping motions from inside to outside or from outside to inside just to define the crease. I'm using the ColourPop Fade into You palette and going in with that bright pastel green shade. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to just lay the color on my lid. You want to go with very small amount of product on the brush at a time. Don't want to just put too much product, as it's just going to make it look very dirty and very patchy, and also make it very hard to blend on your eyelids. Instead, build up the intensity little by little till you get your desired amount of color and your desired amount of intensity. So the 90s were known for their pastel eyeshadows and those really bright pops of color, and I wanted to go with a color that I've not used before, and it was this green shade. Blue was very popular in the 90s. Now for the outer corners, I am actually using a little darker shade of green to kind of create green smoky effect. I really love using Sephora brushes for my eyeshadows, but also a very good affordable brushes are by Morphe as well as Real Techniques, and they both are available at Ulta. I'm kind of creating an outer V shape, as you can see over here, by just dabbing the brush into the outer corner of my eyes. Using the light shimmery green eyeshadow and just dabbing it all over the lid with my fingertips. I always say this, and I'm saying it again, that I love using shimmery eyeshadows with my fingertips because they are just so easy to lay down. And I've used that earlier green shade to kind of blend my eyeshadow margins. Of course, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner for a little bit of a winged look. For this, I'm using the Tarte double-sided eyeliner. By the way, I've been trying out some new makeup techniques, and I'm going to be showing all those new techniques in my next video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of the new videos I'm posting. And as you can see here, I've used the concealer to make sure that my winged eyeliner looks really very sharp. Using the darker green eyeshadow, I'm lining my lower lashes and blending the colors in. You can use any shimmery light eyeshadow to highlight under the brows. Just make sure to keep it super close to the brow bone. And this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation is such an amazing foundation. I mean, it is skincare in a foundation. When I wear it, it doesn't feel like a foundation at all, and this brush by Anisa Beauty is perfect to blend the foundation in. That triangular pinnacle shape helps to blend foundation into the corners near the eyes. Of course, I don't want to put any foundation on my eyes, and I'll tell you in my next video why. And this Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon Eyeliner is so amazing, and this is the shade Odyssey, which is unavailable on Sephora right now, but there are so many other options. ColourPop makes great cream eyeliner, so you should definitely check them out. Going in with my mascara now, this is the Pat McGrath Labs FetishEyes Lengthening Mascara. It is a cult classic, and for very good reason. I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Gel now to keep my eyebrows in place so they don't move throughout the day. And with the ColourPop Feather Effect Brow Liner to create just fuller brows by filling in the gaps. Now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. Just use any shimmery light color that you would like. Don't use a dark color usually because it's just going to make your eyes look more narrow set. Always go with a lighter color on the inner corner of your eyes. A highlighter will go really well too. Now I'm using the Soul Body bronzer to create some contouring, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty brush. This brush is the best for contouring in my opinion. I really love using the two ends, and the fluffy end helps to blend the contour so well. Love it for contouring the jaw also, but I have a new jaw contouring technique which I will again show in my next video. Blushes are for the win this summer, and this Nude Sticks Cream Blush in Sun Kissed, which is a coral bronze color, is so great for Indian skin tone. And you can also use it as a contour slash blush together, which is great because only one product is doing the job of two products. I'm going in with the shade number 80 Honeymoon from the Sephora collection Lip Stain. This is the perfect matte nude pink, and it goes so well with any darker or brighter shade of eyeshadows. Next I have the Smashbox Audition, and this makes for a really good lipstick to give dimension to any lip color you've applied. Look at how it's going to make my lips look very pouty, and I'm going to dab it with my fingertips to just create that nicest transition. And now we'll highlight using the Ofra Cosmetics in Rodeo Drive on the high points of the cheeks. Now this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter is the best one in the market in powder highlighters. Like, I keep going back to it, and look how it's creating that intense shine on my cheeks. I'm going in between my brows as well. It's NARS Afterglow Lip Shine Gloss in shade Orgasm for those perfect pouty 90s lips. Got yourself the 90s babe with some soft curls and nude lips and green eyes. Oh my god. Also, this whole ring and the curls and the hairdo kind of hairstyle, or the curls, are kind of very 90s. Once again, make sure to hit that like button, comment on this video if you'd like to see any specific videos, specific tutorials. And like I said, I am going to show you a bunch of new techniques I've learned in my upcoming videos.